Hi folks, Ed Carroll here with Jer Ronan at the Never Cattywampus headquarters to let you know about the winter warehouse sale at Yankee Home. If you've been waiting for the right time to upgrade your bath, restyle your kitchen, or replace your old windows, there's no better time than right now.
Ed, a lot of contractors slow down in the winter, but at Yankee Home, we're busier than ever. Right, Joe?
I've never seen so many baths. They're flying off the shelves.
Right now, with our winter warehouse sale, you'll get 50% off installation. Plus, we are waiving your down payment with zero down financing.
Wow, 50% off installation plus you're waiving the down payment with zero down financing?
That's right. You better call now because when the last truck is loaded, that's it.
And folks, these are some really amazing products. Yankee Home can replace your old tub in as little as 1 day with a modern, accessible walk-in shower. They can reface your existing kitchen cabinets with something modern and stylish, or they can upgrade your windows with Yankee Home's exclusive triple-pane energy-efficient window system.
Just pick up the phone and a real person like Kylie takes your call.
How can I put a smile on your face today?
Then we'll send one of our designers to discuss your project. Once you design something you'll love, we'll send one of our 5-star crews, like Roberto and his brother Alex, or maybe Mario and his son Mario, to install the new bath, kitchen, or windows of your dreams.
Homeowners love a company that gets the job done right the first time.
Go with Yankee, tell them what you want, ask for suggestions, and they'll give you suggestions which are going to be very helpful. But you could tell they had a pride for their job. And that really resonated with me.
You can count on the team at Yankee Home.
We're very proud of our team. And you know what we say?
Never Cattywampus.
Folks, take advantage of the winter warehouse sale at Yankee Home. Baths, kitchens, windows, and doors with 50% off installation and no down payment with zero down financing.
Showroom now open at 120 Railroad Avenue.